class, Module 1, Nature of Mathematics. In this module, we will be looking at patterns and regularities in the world and how mathematics comes into play both in nature and in human endeavors. So, number 1, we will be discussing patterns and numbers in nature and the world. In the general sense of the word, patterns are recurring forms or designs. Studying patterns helps students in identifying relationships and finding logical connection to form generalization and make predictions. So, let's take a look at this pattern. Circle, square, circle, and square, and circle. What do you think will be the next shape in this sequence? It should be easy enough to note that the pattern is made up of two shapes, circle and square. Beginning with circle, the two shapes then alternate. Logically, the shape that should follow is square. So, number comes next. What number comes next in 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9? So, solution. Looking at the given numbers, the sequence increasing with each term being 2 more than the previous term. 3 equals 1 plus 2, and 5 equals 3 plus 2, and 7 equals 5 plus 2, and 9 equals 7 plus 2. Therefore, the next term should be 11 equals 9 plus 2. Example 1, 7, 13, 19, 25. So, what will be the next? The answer is 31. This is the end of my video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell for updated